questions 1 through 10 on the 2019 Grade 7 Gauss Math Contest. Aaron receives $3 a day. How many days will it take Aaron to receive a total of $30? Take $30, divide by the daily amount, and that will give you the number of days, which is 10. Number 1, the answer is E. In the diagram, point F has coordinates 5, 5. The point with coordinates 2, 4 is located at. Well, let's go 2 in the x direction, and let's go 4 in the y direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I arrive at point D. Number 2, the answer is D. In the diagram, square PQRS is divided into 4 identical squares. What percentage of square PQRS is shaded? Okay, well, there's 4 squares and only one of them is shaded. So 1 out of the 4 is shaded. And that, in terms of a percentage, is 25%. So number 3, the answer is C. The value of 0.9 plus 0.09. Well, I always line them up like that on top of each other, and it just makes it a little bit easier. And let's add. So this is 9, and this is 9, and this is 0. So number 4, the answer is D. Based on the graph shown, what is the mode for the amount of rainfall for a week? The mode is the most common value. So let's list the values. Sunday is 6, Monday is 15, Tuesday is 3, Wednesday is 6, 3 and 3 for Thursday, Friday, and then 9. So which one is the most common value? Well, it's 3. It appears the most number of times. So number 5, the answer is C. If x equals 3, which of the following is true? All right, let's figure out. This would be 6, which is not equal to 5. This would be 8, which is indeed equal to 8. Okay, we're done. Now, just for the sake of completion, let's just do the rest. 8 is not equal to 3. 7 minus 3 is 4, which is not equal to 2. And then 6 plus 6, which would be 12, and that is not equal to 14. So number 6, the answer is definitely B. When two numbers are added, the result is minus 26. If one of the numbers is 11, what is the other number? So we have two numbers, and they equal minus 26. And one of the numbers is 11, so let's say that is x. So x plus y is equal to minus 26. So therefore y is equal to minus 26 minus 11, and therefore y is equal to minus 37. So number 7, the answer is A. Joshua is reading a 396-page book. He has read the first third of the book only. How many pages does he have left to read to finish the rest of the book? Well, 1/3 of 396 is how much he has read, and that is 132 pages. So of the 396 pages, he has already read 132. So 396 minus 132 will give me the number of pages remaining, and that is 264. So number 8, the answer is A. In the diagram, the value of K is all the way around is 360 degrees. This symbol means 90 degrees, a right angle. And therefore, K, which is, I guess, all the way around minus that 90 degrees, which is 360 minus 90, is 270. And that is K. So number 9, the answer is D. The mean of the numbers 20, 30, and 40 is equal to the mean of which numbers? Okay. Well, first let's figure out what does that mean. 20 plus 30 plus 40 divided by 3. And that's 90 over 3, so that is 30. Well, you can do it the long way, which is calculating the mean for every single one, or do it in a simple way, which is the mean is 30, right? So all of these numbers have 30 in them, all of these answer choices, I should say. So that means if you have 3 numbers and the middle guy is 30 and the mean is 30, then these two have to have a mean of 30. And that's a quicker way. And you don't even have to do the math. You can just say, okay, well, which two numbers add up to 60? And that's a quick way of doing it. And when you look at these, the only two numbers that add up to 60 is this guy and this guy. So, like I said, you can do it the long way, you can do it the short way, whatever way you feel during practice. But in math contests, you always want to do it the short way because your time is limited. Number 10, the answer is D.